Hey, it's David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage. Our newest listing, 510 South Menlo Avenue. The place is awesome. It's a fourplex. If you're interested in buying your first investment, you got to check this out. The rental income actually gets added to your income to be able to qualify for something like this. So some people go like, I just don't make enough to do that. Stay tuned. Josh Osborne is going to dial you in on this, right? We're going into unit number 4. It's a lower level unit. All of the units are 2-bedroom, 1-bath. The lower level units, the garden level units, are a little smaller than the upstairs units, but man, they're awesome. Finished off really well. So we've got carpet in the living room. We've got an eat-in kitchen, nice dining area, generous space. You've got a closet here that's either a closet for your vacuum, brooms, stuff like that, or you could use it as a pantry. But great, beautiful garden level windows. All these windows, the vinyl windows, have been replaced. Super efficient space, electric ovens, refrigerators, nice newer cabinets, countertops, clean, nice place to live, right? So if you want a place and you're on a budget, this is a great place to go. I know we have townhomes that are for lease, and they're like $12.95 a month. These when they do go on the market for renewal on the leases, the upstairs units will be $850 a month. The downstairs units will be $825 a month. So it's really, in today's standards, very affordable. So you want to be able to consider this as a place to live. We've got a closet right here, a coat closet or stuff, which is it's always good to have a place for stuff, right? Especially in an apartment, there's just not enough. We go in here, got a bedroom. Remember, it's 2 bedrooms. Nice trim, very, very, very cool. Nice big closet in here. You've got lots of light in this garden level apartments, so you have no shortage of light. So bedroom number 1, you've got another closet here in the hall, so you got plenty of closet space for storage and things. Another bedroom here. It's currently being used as a studio, which is awesome. But it's a great, great bedroom. Very comfortable, very cozy space. Another closet here. And then we have a bathroom, of course. You have to have a bathroom. It's 1 bathroom. Again, the newer cabinetry, countertops, fixtures, toilets, tub, shower surround, with just very, very nice, very attractive, very comfortable. We're close to Sanford Hospital. We're close to getting out to the I-29 to go north or south. We're close to a lot of things. Careful. So you'll want to check this place out. 4-plex. All the units are 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Eat-in kitchens, beautiful, lots of light, whether you're on the garden level, which we're on right now in unit number 4, or if you're upstairs, you'll love these apartment homes.